Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Utsav and Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So the big event today is that it's my third wedding anniversary, and my husband gave me something. He gave me a diamond painting as gift. Well, it was not a surprise because he can never give me surprises. That's not his thing. Every time there's something special, he'll just say, "Hey babe, just go buy whatever you want." So it's kind of being lucky and unlucky because you don't get to be surprised, which I love surprises, but he can't do any surprises. But hey, so I ordered myself, because he wanted to give me something, 2 diamond paintings, and one came in today. So today is my anniversary and it came in today, so I'm pretty excited. The other one's not coming in till mid-July and mid to end of July, so I'm going to wait it out. But I did order this diamond painting kit, and let me open it with you guys. I just wanted to open it with you guys and share what I ordered. And as you can see, I'm just cutting off the box, and I haven't peeked into it as of now. This is my first time opening it. It just came in like an hour ago. So voila. Well, here is the package right here. Let me throw away this. Okay, so this is the package right here. If you can see, it came in a plastic bag. It's not a plastic bag, but a resealable bag, I think. Yeah, it's a resealable bag. And let's open it together, and then I'll give you some details about how much it cost me and what was the seller's name and everything. So here is the painting, and I'm happy that this time the painting was has a transparent sheet, so I can show you guys, unlike the other one which was like kind of with the opaque paper and then I couldn't show you. The first thing I noticed, is that the canvas is not cut straight right here. So if somebody else got it, they might be missing the top part of it. But that's what I see. It has 29 different colors, if you can see right here. If I'm on screen still, okay. 29 different colors. And this is the painting. It is beautiful. It has a lot of colorful flowers. And although I'm not a big fan of flowers, I did get a flower painting. And let me tell you a little bit more about the seller. I got this from Amazon, like you saw the box. And let me see. Okay, so the seller name is WYQN. So that's the seller name, and I will leave a link in the description below if you want to purchase this same kit. This painting is 11.8 by 15.7 inches, so it's less than 1 feet by less than 1.5 feet. So it's a small painting. It's not that big. I'm just trying to collect smaller ones, but I do have a plan of buying this big painting that is $88, and I'm trying to save up money because not everybody can spend $100 or $88 in one go, and I have to save up some money. But in between, I want to get some smaller paintings so I can practice and practice till I am ready to work on a bigger paintings. And this was priced, it's priced right now at $4.99 on Amazon, but when I purchased it, it was priced at $7.99, and there was a 25% off coupon which took $2 off and brought it down to $5.99. There was no shipping charges because I'm a Prime member, and it was free shipping for me, and it came in 2 days. So this is it. And then let's see what tools came in. The standard tools came in with this kit. I have this single-sided pen. Let me put this to the side. Single-sided pen. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so I have this single-sided pen right here, and this tray, the regular green tray, and my background's green, very funny, but this green tray and a sheet of wax. And they also sent me some, it's actually only 4 resealable bags, which is kind of weird because we have 29 different colors. But like I said, like I've already mentioned in my other video, and I'll have a link in the description below on how I store my drills. So I'm going to use that instead of these resealable bags, but I was expecting a little bit more from it. And here are our drills. It is a round drill kit, and here is it. And it does look that quite a few have been mixed in with each other. Like you can see, the pink are mixed in with the maroons, and the red is mixed in with pink, and so on and so forth. So every color has a little bit of mixed in with other color, but it's okay. But they are beautiful. They are not broken or anything as far as I can see, so it's okay. And then the numbers are written clearly, like this is number 29 and this is the DMC code right here. So the numbers are clear too, so it's nothing 1 or 2 mixed in makes any difference to me. But I just want to see how this works. The round one, I think it's, no, I got the diamond dots, that was round, and then the other 2 diamond painting that I had were square. So now I'm again going back looking at all this, and I thought it was a DMC code for each number on this packet, which you can see right here. But then when I go along and I look at it, all of the bags, little bags, contain 6206. So then I looked at it, and this painting is number, I think the painting number here is 6206, and that's what is printed on the bags. There is no DMC code. They haven't even sent me like an inventory sheet to check how many bags I'm supposed to get for each color. Also in this color code right here, they haven't given any instructions on any DMC codes or nothing. So I'm not sure. I'm a little disappointed that it did not come with the inventory sheet, or it did not come with any other, even on the side they did not mention any DMC code. But I'm not sure if the round drills do come with DMC code or not. So leave me a comment about that and let me know, because it's my second round drill diamond painting. The diamond dots, I know they are kind of a different brand and they have their thing and they don't do DMC code, but I'm really not sure if the round drills have DMC code or not. So let me know that in the comments below. Guys, this is a short video on my new diamond painting kit, and I'm really disappointed in number of resealable bags they gave me. But hey, I already have a storage system and I'm already working with it, but I was disappointed. You know how it can get. So yeah, so this is all the basic tools, the round drills and the painting. And I will definitely do time lapse or just work in progress video for this diamond painting. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but this is it, guys. When my second painting does come in, I will upload an unboxing video for that, but that's far away because it's not coming till July. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment below sharing if you have done this painting, or have you bought any other diamond painting kit from this Amazon seller, and if you had any concerns or any difficulties with these paintings. Also leave me a comment if you want me to buy a particular diamond painting kit and do a review or unboxing with you guys. Just let me know and I will definitely buy those kits and upload a video for it. So please give me a thumbs up if you liked it, leave a comment, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit the bell button to be notified every time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you all supporting me so much. Have a good one. Bye.